Hello everybody, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. In this video, I will introduce the HoopTalent hooping station starter kit. In this starter kit, it comes with 6 products. The first one is the main station. The second piece is the sniff station with portal base, which you can use for the backs, towers, and the trouser legs, and so on. The third one is the large or adjustable fixture, which can be used with the main station for large size MaggieFrame such as 11 by 13 inch or 13 by 60 inch MaggieFrame for the jacks back embroidery work. The fourth one is a small adjustable fixture which can be used with the sniff station or on the main station. The fifth one is a 5.1-inch MaggieFrame fixture which can go on either the main station or the sniff station, like this. Then the last one is the 5.1-inch MaggieFrame. When you buy the starter kits, you just choose the brackets of this MaggieFrame which fits your embroidery machine is okay. If you have interest to buy the HoopTalent starter kit or any other size of MaggieFrame, please contact our distributors or shop on our online store. Thanks for your watching.